Okay, my name is Sam Kitson. Welcome, folks. Today I'll be doing the introduction of Stephanie Lazure Burns. She will be my partner during the CTE course. A little bit about her. She teaches medical science. Um, she said that in her class, students love the hands-on healthcare skills and work readiness skills that they learn in there. That includes learning about vital signs, building resumes, practicing interviews, doing interviews, and the like. They don't like written exams due to all the reading and memorizing they have to do, which I'm sure as teachers we've all experienced that as well. Nor do they like her cell phone policy, which I do have to applaud her for having a no cell phone policy that's getting tougher and tougher in this day and age. But certainly when she has one-to-one computers for her students, clock on the walls, and every possible resource that her students might need, a cell phone is not as necessary. She also loves to spend time with her family boating, dirt bike riding, and camping. All right, that's everything you need to know about Stephanie Lazure Burns.